Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a page or a post from your WordPress site to another website. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply put in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to a page like this. And from here you have to just simply click on the tools icon in the left hand side, and then you have to just simply click on the export icon from here, and from here you have to just simply click on the post or pages that you would like to export. So let's say I'd like to go for the post, then simply click on the download export files, and after that you have to just simply go to the import, and then you have to just simply go to the WordPress icon from here, and it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to just simply click on the import content only, and from here what you need to do is just simply upload the file that you have just previously exported from other website, and it will simply import it to your current website. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.